वेलकम ऑन इन द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल 8। फर्स्ट पार्ट में हम लोगों ने परफॉर्म डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन देखा था, where we had written the Python program on the sales data. And in this video, we are going to understand about performing data visualization using the Power BI on any sales data. This is what a question which has been asked. Now, first we need to understand what is data visualization. So data visualization refers to converting the raw data into the graphical formats such as bar chart, line chart, pie chart, histogram, and scattered plots. Visualization helps in understanding the sales trend. with sales data hai to sales trend over a time, best selling product, revenue distribution, customer purchase pattern, these all things can be graphically presented by us with the help of the data visualization techniques. Now, this is what my sample sales data is. This is the CSV file which has around 100 rows. You can download this file. The link has been given in the description box. So, you will find month, product, region, unit sold, unit price, and total sales. Around 100 records are being present. Moving ahead, a basic concept you must be knowing before we are starting with this Power BI practical. That is, what is the Power BI? You must be knowing about it. Importing data, Power Query Editor, data types, visualization pane, what is x-axis, y-axis, values, legend, filters, and slicer. Now, if you are not knowing it, then also first install the Power BI. If you don't know how to install the Power BI, in the starting part of my playlist, you will find the video which help you to understand how to download and install the Power BI. So let's start to complete this practical using Power BI desktop. So I first will be starting my Power BI desktop, and here we will complete the visualization part of our practical. Much more easier part. First I will start with my blank report, and this is what the screen looks like in Power BI. I would like to add the data towards my report. These are the visualization, all different charts have been available. But our data is not in Excel, our data is in a CSV format. So we will be going for getting the data, and here we are selecting text oblique CSV. It asks you from where you would like to take that data. So I'm selecting, this is what my sales data file. I give a click on open, and now the Power BI will analyze your data and allows you to perform the transformation on the data. But right now this data is absolutely correct, there is no null value, etc. So we don't require to go for transforming data. We can just go for loading the data. So now the data has been loaded, and I would like to go for visualizing this data in a graphical format by using bar chart or a pie chart or line chart, scattered plot chart, etc. So I will be first taking my bar chart over here. How exactly we can take it? Double click on the bar chart. The bar chart will get displayed over here. And सर कुछ दिखता नहीं है. अरे ठीक है, अभी तो कुछ स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया है. ना x एक्सेस स्पेसिफाई किया है, ना y एक्सेस स्पेसिफाई किया है. So now this is what a data pane is, and here you can select the data to be there in the x and y axis. So I'm planning to have my product base bar chart. So I'm selecting this product on the x-axis, and whereas the y-axis I would like to be using total sales. The y-axis is what here? Total sales. So you'll find immediately the bar chart get displayed in front of you, which shows some of the total sales by product, and this is what the y-axis, that is some of the total sales, and this the x-axis is nothing but what my products are. Now you would like to make it more decorative, then you can select the option over here, format your visuals, and here you can select the visual. In that you will find visuals and general, right? You want some data labels to be added, you can make it on. You can see the data labels are added over here. You don't want, you can remove it. You can add up the grid line, horizontal are there, vertical or horizontal you would like to remove, you can remove it. You can decide the color of it, you can decide the transparency of it, you can decide the line type, etc., etc. Now moving ahead, I can go to general and I can select my title. The title over here is sum of total sales by product. So instead of this sum of total sales by product, in title I had just mentioned that is product wise sales, and pressing enter you can see the title get displayed as product wise sales, I can make it bold, I can make it italic, I can change my text color, I can change the background color, I can change the alignment. These options are everywhere, right? Similarly, you can able to go for adding the subtitle, you can add the dividers, you can add the effects. Many options are been there available for the sake of data visualization. So visual and general, these two options are there. Fine, you can move over here is adding data to your visuals. Now here y-axis has been there. You would like to go for adding the legions. You can add up the legions over here. You can add up some all other details also. But I would like to create a pie chart now. So I will be selecting over here the option as pie chart, right? So this is what my pie chart is. Very nicely the entire, oh, sorry, what happened? The bar chart get converted as pie chart. So I just use Control Z and I'm just interested in again keeping my bar chart over here and giving a click on the canvas and would like to add up the pie chart. So पहले वो bar chart को deselect करो and then you go for double clicking and adding your pie chart. Now you can decide where you would like to keep your pie chart. Location of the pie chart, fine. I'm happy with the location like this. I can decide my x-axis, I can decide my y-axis. कैसे करके जाना है आपको मैंने बता दिया था. You can specify. Suppose I'm using the product concept only over here. Then product I want it should be legends. So you can specify the products over here. And you would like to use total cells. You can select over here total cells as value. So you can find my pie chart get displayed. You would like to change your visual effects, etc. You can select the chart, then you can move towards your visual and you are able to go for general or legion. Right? Similar जैसा bar chart में change किया था, similarly you are able to change it inside what your pie chart also. You can add up some kind of more visualization technique by using slicer. Now, how you can add the slicer? You can find over here slicer option, or you can get various slicers over here like text slicer, bottom slicer, list slicer. Suppose I am using the option called bottom slicer. Double click on a slicer, you'll find the bottom slicer has been added over here. You can decide the size of it depending on your requirement, and then you can select what is exactly the way by which the slicer should work. Suppose I am interested, it should be displaying my regions. So I can provide value as what my region. So you can find values like east, west, north, and south. So what will be the effect of it? Just wait a minute. We will add the other slicer and then we will see the effect. Over here again, you will find the options like same visualization effect, visual or general. Similarly, I would like to add up one more slicer over here, like a list slicer has been added by me. I double click on it and you will find a list slicer get added over here. And a list I would like to add it as my product. So I'm adding the value field over here as what product. So you'll find the product list is what being added over here. So fine. So this is what the product list is there. So if you don't want the column, etc., you can just give a click on remove fields, right? So it is quite easy for you to go forward adding the slices. Now, sir, what is the effect of the slicer? First of all, please look at this. This is what your desktop view. This is what your mobile layout view. You can have an auto created mobile layout and you can see the effects over. Right? You want to increase the size of it because the values are not displayed. You can increase the size of it. You can again come towards what your desktop view. So what is happening when I'm selecting east? Now it will be showing the chart is entirely different now. Right? Because in a east region, you will find tablets are getting sold more. In the north region, you will find, okay, the changes are the headphones are getting sold more. In the south region, you will find, so this is a beautiful way by which the visualization takes place with the help of the Power BI. And you can press Control and select multiple regions. So whatever the regions which are selected by you, depending on the charts are being changed. And that's the beauty of this particular Power BI. Sir, I would like to publish this particular file, etc. You can just save it in a PBBX format and then further you are allowed to go for using it somewhere. But if you want to publish it on a web, etc., then you need to have an account. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का जो अकाउंट है उसमें इतने फीचर्स नहीं है. अगर आपके पास स्कूल अकाउंट मतलब कॉलेज का अकाउंट रहेगा तो यू आर एबल टू गो फॉर पब्लिशिंग इट विद पावर बीआई वेब आल्सो. बट राइट नाउ फॉर योर प्रैक्टिकल्स यू डोंट रिक्वायर टू गो फॉर अप्लाइंग. नाउ किसी ने कुछ दूसरा चार्ट बोला तो सेकंड चार्ट जो चाहिए उसको आप क्लिक करके डबल क्लिक करके फिर उसका एक्स एक्सेस वाई एक्सेस डिसाइड करो, उसका विजुअल इफेक्ट्स को डिसाइड करो, एंड देन कंप्लीट दिस विजुअलाइजेशन टेक्निक एंड प्रैक्टिकल नंबर 8, second part. So what is being learned by us? We had learned how to import the data in Power BI from CSV file. Cleaning is not required over here, so we are not use Power BI query editor. We are knowing that how I can add the bar chart, pie chart. Even if I had used the slicer also, line and scattered, you can try it. They're quite easy. Similar way, the way in which the bar and pie is been done. We know what is the access, what are the values, what are the regions, etc. How to apply the filters, slicers, right? How to format and implement some kind of better visual effects. These are what all the things which we had completed and we had saved and presented. Okay, sir, how to save it? It's not something which is big. You can just give a click on file. You can say save as, and you can save your file wherever you would like to save it. Suppose I would like to save this one, that is practical 8B. सो PBIX नाम का फाइल होता है, वहां पे आपका ये फाइल क्या हो जाएगा, सेव हो जाएगा. सर आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सपोर्ट इट इन द PDF. It's quite easy. You can go to file and you can select the option called export and you can export towards PDF also. So I'd export it toward PDF and you can see the PDF shows you the entire chart over here. And that's the beauty of this particular Power BI. So now please do the practical by your own. Don't just try to go for copying it. And thanks a lot for watching this video. Connect with our social media channel. Please connect with our community also. Subscribe our channel, share our channel so that it will motivate us to go for providing the information to a lot of other students also. Along with that, if anybody would like to have a career-oriented counseling for study abroad or maybe for your regular studies, then please connect with us. We are very happy to help you for the same. Thanks a lot.